How to fix Tinder can't delete account. If any day you are bored of your Tinder account and you want to delete it, but you are not being able to delete your Tinder account, do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, tap on Play Store on your device. After you tap on Play Store on your device, you will see an interface like this. Now go to the search option on your Play Store. In the search option, tap Tinder out there. And when you tap Tinder out there, you will see the option of Tinder there. Now just go to the Tinder and check whether there is any update available or not. And if there is any updates available, just update your Tinder application. Otherwise, this is okay. Now you have to open your Tinder application on your device. Either you can scroll down until you find Tinder, otherwise you can tap on the option of open, and this way your Tinder application will be opened. After your Tinder application will be opened, you have to go to the profile section on the down right on your Tinder. My has already been opened, and after you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the settings option on your Tinder application. To go to the settings option, go to the top right option there, and this way your settings will be opened. Now you have to check whether you have done any subscriptions or not, and if there is any subscriptions, you have to turn it off. And if it is already turned off, now go down until you find the option of log out. You can just log out your Tinder application and log in once again. This way your bug will be solved. Otherwise, if you already have logged out and already logged in, now you are okay to turn on the next steps. So if you have already logged out, now go to the option of delete account. Now tap on the option of delete account, and when you tap on the option of delete account, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the option of delete my account, and this way your account will be deleted from Tinder. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.